According to the most recent long-haul gauge, Dogecoin cost will hit 7 cents by the middle of 2024 and then $0.1 by the middle of 2026. Dogecoin value forecast. 2023 to 2024 Dogecoin cost began in 2023 at 0.0698. Today Dogecoin exchanged at 0.0641, so the cost decreased by 8 from the beginning of the year. The determined Dogecoin cost toward the end of 2023 is 0.0650 and the year-to-year change 7. The ascent from today to year-end 0.0643. Thursday, July 6, Saturday, July 8, 0.0647. Friday, July 7, 0.0645. 0.0649. Sunday, July 9, when is Monday, July 10, 0.065. Tuesday, July 11, 0.0652, Wednesday, July 12, 0.0654, and Thursday, July 13, 0.0656. July 15, 0.0657, August 15, 0.0656, September 15, 0.0655, October 15, 0.0653, November 15, 0.0652, and December 15, 0.0665. Dogecoin forecast 2025 to 2029. This 5 years would bring an increase. Dogecoin cost would move from 0.0834 to 0.1365, which is up 64. Dogecoin will begin 2025 at 0.0834, then take off to 0.0984 inside the first half year of the year and finish 2025 at 0.0910. That implies plus 42 from today. Dogecoin forecast 2030 to 2034. During this period, the Dogecoin cost would rise from 0.1365 to 0.1808, which is up 32. Dogecoin will begin 2030 at 0.1365. Dogecoin value forecast 2023 to 2024. Dogecoin cost started in 2023 at 0.0698. Today Dogecoin exchanged at 0.0714, so the cost increased by 2 from the start of the year. The determined Dogecoin cost toward the end of 2023 is 0.0713 and the year-to-year change plus 2. The change from today to year-end 0%. In 2023, we hope to see 0.0722 per 1 Dogecoin. In the main part of 2024, the cost will move to 0.0823. In the final part, the cost would add 0.0093 and close the Dogecoin forecast 2025 to 2029. These 5 years would bring an increased Dogecoin cost would move from 0.0916 to 0.1501, which is an increase of 64. Dogecoin will begin 2025 at 0.0916, then take off to 0.1081 inside the first half year of the year and finish 2025 at 0.1000, which is an increase of 40 from today. Dogecoin forecast 2030 to 2034. During this time period, the Dogecoin price would rise from 0.1501 to 0.1987, a 32% increase. Dogecoin would begin 2030 at 0.1501, then rise to 0.1591 during the first half of the year, and complete 2030 at 0.1680. A 135% increase from now. May 15, 2023 Dogecoin value estimate for 2023 to 2024. The determined Dogecoin cost toward the end of 2023 is 0.0812 and the year-to-year change plus 16. The ascent from today to year-end plus 12. In 2023, we hope to see $0.0776 per 1 Dogecoin. In the main portion of 2024, the cost will drop to 0.0727. In the final part of the year, the cost would add 0.0164 and close the year at 0.0. Dogecoin forecast 2025 to 2029. Over the next 5 years, the price of a Dogecoin will rise from $0.08991 to $0.1252, a 41% increase. Dogecoin will begin 2025 at 0.0891, then fall to 0.0807 within the first half of the year, and finish 2025 at 0.0849, implying a gain of 17 from now. Dogecoin forecast 2030 to 2034. During this time period, the cost of a Dogecoin would rise from $0.1252 to $0.1631, a 30% increase. Dogecoin will begin 2030 at $0.1252, then rise to $0.1327 in the first half of the year, and finish 2030 at $0.1402, a gain of 93 from now. 5/1/2023 Dogecoin value forecast 2023 to 2024. Dogecoin cost began in 2023 at 0.0698. Presently, Dogecoin exchanged at 0.0785. Therefore, the cost increased by 13 since the beginning of the year. The gadget Dogecoin forecast 2025 to 2029. These 5 years would bring an increased Dogecoin cost would move from 0.0930 to 0.1. After the Federal Reserve released its minutes for June, which hinted at more tightening if the central bank thinks it's necessary, Bitcoin and other top crypto tokens went down on Thursday. Even though the market was still strong, investors took some gains off the table. On Thursday, Bitcoin lost even more value. The biggest cryptocurrency token fell another 1% and is now worth less than $30,500. Its biggest rival, Ethereum, also lost about 1% but stayed above $1,900. But most of the price movement in other altcoins was going down. Bitcoin went down after the minutes of the Federal Open Market Committee, FOMC, were made public. But it stayed steady above $30,400 after the CEO of BlackRock said positive things about Bitcoin, said Edel Patel, co-founder and CEO of Mudrex. Bitcoin briefly rose above $31,000 earlier this week, but it has been holding steady above $30,000 as the bullish momentum has slowed down. Still, Bitcoin is still close to the $31,000 level, which he said is an important barrier point to watch in the near future. Except for a few. Most of the top cryptocurrency tokens were selling down on Thursday. Polygon fell about 5%, and Polkadot, Cardano, XRP, and Dogecoin all fell about 3%. Litecoin went down by 2%. Solana went up by about 1%, and both Bitcoin Cash and Tron were also in the green. The market capitalization of all cryptocurrencies around the world went down, falling below the $1.2 trillion mark as it fell more than 1% in the last 24 hours. But the overall amount of trades went up by about 11% to $32.08 billion. In the last 24 hours, there has been